Hi and welcome to Mom Chat. Now today I want to talk about how you can stay true to your mom identity. And why am I talking about this? Okay, in my previous video I talked about the 3 simple steps you can take to figure out your mom identity. Now you know it, or maybe you're watching this video and you already know your mom identity. But then how can you stay true to it? Oh, before you forget, you need to like, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell button for notification because we have new videos every week. Now, mom identity is you knowing who you are as a mom and allowing that to kind of structure your day and how you relate in your family and at work or in your business. Now, in the life of a mom, things are always changing. Like one minute you're a mom of a newborn, the next minute you're a mom of a toddler, and then you move on to, jump onto the teenage years, and then sometimes you might even end up being a grandma. And then the question is, if you see any mom and you ask them, what is your typical day like? You never know because things are always evolving. So how can you stay true to your mom identity? Again, 3 simple steps. First one, be intentional. Now, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, work-from-home mom, a career mom, empty nester, whatever stage you're in, you have to be intentional. That means whatever you've identified to be who you're going to be as a mom or who you are as a mom, you have to put some effort into it to make sure that it transcends to every area of your life. And that brings me to my second point, which is set boundaries. Now, I see a lot of moms set boundaries for their family, but this is where it gets funny. They set those boundaries, but they don't even keep those boundaries. So I would say set boundaries for yourself. You know this is who you are now as a mom, or this is my mom identity. Set boundaries that you can respect, and then every other member of the family would find it easier to actually respect those boundaries. And the last thing, which is almost like setting boundaries, is to stay committed. So you set the boundaries, you're intentional, just stick with it. The whole point of you having a mom identity is so that when it comes to the time you want to make a decision, you know who you are as a mom and you know what you stand for. And you're very clear as to this is who I am, this is what I want to do, this is what I don't want to do. I'm intentional, I'm committed, I set boundaries. It's going to be so much easier for you to make decisions. That's it. Remember, like, share, subscribe, click the bell button for notification. But this is a cool thing about this chat. If you want to get on a call with another mom just to chat about mom identity, of course, and goals, or how to structure your time, how to get more done in a day, how to get over the feeling of overwhelm, how to find balance, you can get on a call by clicking this link, www.momleader.com/momchat. And you'll be on the phone with an expert mom coach that's going to help you through whatever it is you want to chat about for 30 minutes. I'll see you.